everyone, I'm Alexis Score, MasterCraft Team Ambassador, and I'm here at MasterCraft headquarters to announce a very special partnership with St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. These two Tennessee-based organizations have joined forces to make a difference in the lives of families across the country by bringing light to an important cause. This cause is near and dear to my heart. While I wasn't a patient at St. Jude, I am a childhood cancer survivor. At age 16, I was diagnosed with chronic myeloid leukemia, a rare form of blood cancer. Because of my experience with leukemia, I know what it's like to worry about not finding the right treatment, to be unsure of which doctor to see or where to seek care. I know what it feels like to have medical bills looming over an already stressful situation, not to mention the sadness of missing out on life's precious moments. My prognosis was grim. But because of the excellent care I received from doctors like the ones at St. Jude, I've been able to experience things like going to the prom and graduating high school, to becoming a professional athlete, and now having a successful career in television. Since I was a child, water sports has been one of my life's greatest passions, which makes the opportunity to be here today at MasterCraft to announce this campaign so indescribably special to me. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital has one clear mission: finding cures, saving children. For over 60 years, St. Jude has led the way the world understands, treats, and defeats childhood cancer and other life-threatening diseases. Through their shared commitment to enriching the lives of families and making memories possible, both organizations are launching Surf to Save Lives, a joint effort by MasterCraft and St. Jude to raise funds and awareness in support of the life-saving mission of St. Jude. So how does it work? You can get involved by downloading the MasterCraft Connect app, and for every minute of towed water sports logged on the MasterCraft app for any activity like wakeboarding or water skiing, MasterCraft will donate $1 to St. Jude, up to a maximum donation of $75,000. Surf to Save Lives offers us the chance to make a real difference by raising both funds and awareness for a worthy cause. Having benefited from life-saving medical care myself, I'm proud to be involved with this campaign and to combine my love of water sports with the opportunity to contribute to the vital work being done by St. Jude to help kids with cancer. Join me by downloading the MasterCraft Connect app and getting out on the water to help us help St. Jude carry out their mission.